Okay, just 1 more minute. Okay, it's five. Okay, it's 5 5 now. Let's start up the meeting. So I'm the HR over here, and we have hiring manager Mr. Mohammed Awais over here, and our network manager Mr. Mangal Singh is over here. Mr. hiring manager, could you please introduce me to the panel?
Good afternoon, guys. Myself, Mohammad Awais. I am the HR manager at cothonsolutions, and he is the HR who will take your interview and be free to give answers. So you may continue, sir.
Okay, let's move on to the whole process in this. So, guys, welcome to Cothon Solutions. In this, Cothon Solution is basically an NGO-based platform which usually gives the students who are currently pursuing in their whole graduation, such as BTech, MCA, or BCA, any computer science degree, who are doing any technical process or any technical knowledge, who needs to receive some experience of the corporate world, from training to the mentorship to the placement assistance. In this particular scenario of the declining economy, we provide all these things to you. So I had provided this interview link to most of all to 25 clients, but I think only 13 joined, so I'll select only 10 members from this meeting. After the interview process, we will reach out to you through our mail. You'll get the confirmation or rejection from our side. We will taking up the interview in such a manner such that the recording will be sent to the hiring managers and the upper management, so that we can say that who's the best candidate to be selected out, and the sorted out candidates will move further with all the tasks and all the allotments. In this, no money will be charged from our side and your side. This is all basically free of cost. We are tied with the government, with the AICT, NGO based platforms. And also, we in our company, we are currently having the hiring partners such as Tech Mahindra, Deloitte, Infinix, and many more. But we are only in collaboration with Tech Mahindra, Infinix, and Deloitte. That's all, guys, from my side. You can also check out our website, cothonsolutions.com, which is live. And moreover, any questions regarding the company, guys? Any questions regarding the company? Okay, I think no questions. So I should start up the interview process. So I'll start with Shiva Sai. Mr. Shiva, please open your cam so that we can interview you. Mr. Shiva, are you there? Look, if you,
Hello.
Mr. Shrey, I didn't call you. I called Mr. Shiva. Mr. Shiva, are you there? Look, if you don't respond to this meet, na, we will directly ban you from 6 companies for 6 months. If you are not interested in this, please don't attend the interview. Mr. HR manager, please ban this guy from this meeting. Mr. Shiva Sai Girishalam, ban this. Okay, guys, one is eliminated. Now 12 members remain in this meeting. We will start off with Shrey.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yeah, Mr. Shrey, could you please open your cam so that we can interview? Oh, very good evening, Mr. Shrey.
Uh, my good name, Shrey Varshney.
Okay, please introduce yourself to the panel.
I am a BTech student. I am studying at Vellore Institute of Technology. I am doing my BTech in Computer Science and Engineering. I am a third year student. Uh, I uh, make Python programs very well, and I am good with web development. I have my portfolio made in Next.js and front end. I have many more projects made in various fields, like in Python. I have made a automation bot which checks resumes and parses them. I have
One thing,
been
Mr. Shrey,
to
one thing, Mr. Shrey. As I can see, you are from a VIT Bhopal University, and you had done many projects such as Little Champs preschool announcement and messaging app, sheet signing, cloud-based
yes,
Google
yes,
Play Pair sheets, screen shaps. So,
yes,
because of these projects, I'm only considering you. One thing, why is your introduction in such a
yes,
way that you are saying like a 10th class student over here? Look, you have to be professional in this field, because this lagging in between the managers will not accept this, because in a company only a limited seats are allotted to the interns, for which the government has been approved by us. So one thing, Mr. Shrey, explain me something about your project
yes.
so that I can select you.
Okay. So in SheetSync, as you mentioned, SheetSync is my project. Uh, uh, I have made a project that uses Google API and fetches all your requests and responses from the website. It takes requests and responses, and then gives you mails and uh, web sheet, uh, Google spreadsheet of the those responses. It can be used in various purposes, like for taking responses from uh, many sources. It can be hosted on Cloudflare. Cloudflare is very good and most adopted DNS server, where
Okay, okay, that's enough, Mr. Shrey. One thing, is
yes,
this all projects mentioned on your resume is yours?
yes, I have made them.
Then why are you lacking in this for explaining the whole projects and the scenario? Why are you lacking in between?
Uh,
Is this your
if you
first
could
interview?
ask anything, I will tell
Is
you.
is this
I
your
mean,
is
I
this your
know everything,
look, look,
but
look, 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 Mr. Shrey? First, answer my questions.
yes,
Is this your first interview?
yes, this is my first interview. I have
Then one thing, Mr. Shrey, I have to clear all my doubts. You have written such as projects, that's really great. And one thing, you have mentioned this certificate such as Google IIT professional certificates, bits and bytes
yes,
computer networking Google, in this 99%, NPTEL cloud computing IIT Kharagpur, that's really great. And achievements such as
yes,
Flipkart grade 5, I have also seen this. 2 lakh 10,762 learners across the nation, and you cleared first round and qualified for the sixth round. And by
yes, yes.
having all these achievements, why are you lacking in this basic communication skills, huh? Any specific delay in this, or I am not audible to you?
No,
Look,
no, you are completely audible.
then why are you lacking in this? Because VIT Vellore students, basically the most prestigious university in the whole India, the students are very well
Yes.
from and all this, and you are lacking in the scenario. Any specific reason, Mr. Shrey?
No, not. Uh,
Okay, I think I should consider you, because this is your first interview and you are only in your third year, so you have to gain some practical scenario of the corporate world. I think that's the main reason in this. Oh, so we will consider you, Mr. Shrey. You have to give one thing, Mr. Shrey. Could you please
yes.
tell me your percentage in 10th, 12th, and
Um,
approx GPA in your university?
my 10th percentage was 92. I qualified 95% in 12th, and in college, my recent CGPA, ongoing CGPA is 8.9.
Okay, that's really great, Mr. Shrey. But one thing,
8.9.
okay, that's
Yes.
really great. That's really great, Mr. Shrey. But Shrey, one thing, by having this 90%, 89%, or 80%, now will not get you a job in the scenario. You will get a job based on your communication skills, based on your technical skills. I know you have a great profound technical skills. I can see that on your resume. But one thing, if you can't explain your projects now, the manager will directly reject you. It's okay, as this is an first interview, we will consider you as a valuable candidate and valuable asset to the company. Okay, Shrey, you may leave the meeting. We will get contacted on your email, right? You can leave the meeting.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Mr. Who's next? Mr. Sharma, Mr. Lavanya Sharma, Mr. Sharma.
Hello, hello.
Mr. Sharma, please open your cam
Okay, okay, sir.
and
So
make
am I
sure.
audible?
Okay, some background noise is coming from your side. Please check that.
Okay, sir, just wait for a few seconds. I'll
Hey,
get to.
first of all, Mr. Lavanashria, look, this is a corporate meeting. You should be punctual with us. This okay
Yes,
shit
sir.
and all this
No,
shit
sir.
is not possible.
I just want to turn off the fan. So that's
Okay,
why.
please make sure.
Okay.
That's really great. Nice. Uh, this candidates. Next one is, I think, Charan Madhu.
Hello.
Okay, please make sure you are okay. Please
Am I audible
introduce.
clearly, sir?
Okay, you are audible. Please introduce yourself to the panel.
Thank you for this opportunity, sir. Good evening. I'm Lavanya Sharma, a final year undergraduate pursuing bachelor's in computer applications from GLE University, Mathura. I'm a web developer with an ultimate passion and curiosity for AI. And I'm someone who thrives on creativity and problem solving, always eager to explore new ideas and perspectives. And talking about my skill sets, I have a hands on experience on Python, and as a web developer, expertise in front end development with proficiency in Java, C, and C. I believe that every interaction is an opportunity to learn something new. Thank you, sir.
Okay, that's really great and nice introduction by Mr. Sharma. One thing, Mr. Sharma, which domain did you choose in our NGO? Which domain did you
So,
choose?
so I've chosen artificial intelligence with Python.
Okay, I think you are from AICT. One
Yes,
thing,
sir.
Mr. Sharma, as you mentioned, you have a great pronoun skills in Python and web development. So, Mr. HR manager, could you please ask him some questions regarding this?
For sure, for sure. So, Mr. Sharma, what do you know
Yes.
about AI?
Sir, the thing I know about AI is I'm so curious about this automation and stuff because I'm so thrilled with this technology. I'm so excited always about by knowing all this stuff about AI. Like for example, I want to know how Chat GPT works and the systems like and the softwares like this. So I'm very enthusiastic. I have a really great enthusiasm for AI. That's why I want to learn more about this technology as
And
this
what
is
about
growing. Yes.
machine learning?
Machine learning, yes, sir. I have done some around. I have done one project that I mentioned in my resume, and also I have done two more projects, but that was unsuccessful, unfortunately. And machine learning, I want to build some models regarding this technology and train my own data set and create something new for me and with this technology. Yeah.
Do you know about NLP?
Yes, sir. This is a natural language processing. So NLP is actually the processing of converting the natural language that we use that as a human use to process it for the machine. Okay, so that's how the AI models understands our language to process on this information and throw the output according to it.
And how the AI and machine learning are interconnected to each other?
So AI and machine learning is so AI is like a huge technology. It has so much to it. Okay, and machine learning is like a way that you can build these technologies. Okay, so for machine learning, it's actually the models that you actually train. Okay, according to your according to your data sets and the the information that you have. So these machine learning, by using this machine learning and this advanced algorithm from machine learning, you can we can train these data sets. Okay, customize it according to our needs, and so we can implement it in our newer models, so such like softwares and applications of to build some uh, AI software and applications here.
So that's very great.
Okay.
So you may continue.
Okay, Mr. Sharma, I think you are the most valuable candidate over here. I think Mr. Shea should learn something from you. So, having projects don't determine your overall skills. Communication skills are the most important thing in this matter. So, Mr.
So this is
Sharma,
my first interview, sir.
oh, that's really great. I'm literally impressed by all your communication skills. Nice. Which, Mr. Sharma, what university did you mention you are from?
So GLE University, Mathura, sir.
Could you please elaborate the name? I need to check that.
So GLA University, GLA.
GLA. Okay, just a sec. GLA University, Mathura. Okay, University. Oh, that's really great. Great to know. Any questions regarding the company, Mr. Sharma? Any questions?
Well, I do not have any question to ask here, but I have researched about your company from your website and through the blogs that you have written on the Quora. Maybe some of your employees does that, and
Okay, okay, okay,
so
okay,
that's why I
Sharma.
know about
You are
Cotton
selected.
Solutions. Yes.
You are selected. We'll get back to you on your email. Thank you, Mr. Sharma, for
Thank
joining
you,
the
sir. Thank
meeting.
you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So one candidate got shortlisted, guys. And next one is who's next one? Mr. Mr. Deepak Reddy. Mr. Deepak Reddy. Mr. Deepak Reddy. Mr. Deepak Reddy.
Hello, sir. Sorry for the inconvenience.
Okay, we will. We will. Oh, this is your first interview, Mr. Deepak Reddy.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, please open your cam. Okay, that's really.
I'm
Oh,
on my way to the school.
one thing, Mr. Deepak Reddy, make sure your background is clear. I'm warning you again and again to all the candidates. Make sure your background is clear. One thing, if I'll find anyone in this meeting trying to get help from someone else or any doing any sort of things, I'll directly ban you. Okay, I think you are in a good position for talking.
Yeah, yes, sir.
So Mr. Deepak has been eliminated due to exclamatory and condition issues. So we'll be moving to the another candidate, Mr. Rakshit. Mr.
Sir,
Rak. Oh, okay, Mr. Rakshit, please open a cam and introduce yourself.
sir, is it audible?
Okay, okay, you are audible. Oh, nice, Mr. Rakshit. Nice background.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, please introduce
Good evening,
yourself.
sir.
Please
Good
introduce.
evening, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Rakshit Kuchankalli. I am from Telangana. I recently graduated from JNTH College of Engineering, JTL. I am skilled at Python, machine learning, in web development like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc. And my academic projects are still detection using NLP and flood area segmentation using deep learning. And coming to my hobbies, reading books and listening to music. And my key strengths are hard worker and achieve to anything, adaptable to any situation. My goal is to become a software developer. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Mr. Rakshit. One thing, Mr. Rakshit, as I can see from your resume, you are an graduated candidate, that too from JNTU Jagatyal.
Yes, sir.
So one thing, Mr. Rakshit, did the college didn't even provide you any placements regarding this?
Yes, sir. But there are less opportunities, sir.
In
Because
what
we are
in
located.
In what scenario are you telling me that less opportunity? Because you are in a university. I know JNTU has Jagityal, JNTU has Hyderabad. Many students are from JNTU. Kakinada also, they had got placed in many bigger MNCs right now. So any reason, specific reason for you?
Our college is not main branch, sir. It is the constituent college of JNTU Hyderabad. JNTU Hyderabad is located in Hyderabad, but JNTU Jaital is located in Jaital district. It is in remote area, sir. The companies are not able to visit like it is a remote area.
One thing, I had done my research on JNTU Jagityal.
Okay, sir.
That it shows ki the average package in Jagityal is 12 lakhs per annum. But you are saying that you didn't even receive anything.
Sir, sir, according to me, I have attended 2 to 3 placements, sir.
Look,
In
I have
in my
the 2024 ongoing candidates list. In this,
yes, sir.
it shows that the package is up for 11 lakhs, that the IPM company had hired 4.2 to 11 lakhs per annum, it shows. Then this is a then this is the negotiation. Are you telling that you didn't attend the trial? First of all, is your college autonomous? Are in a native remote college?
Sir, my college is autonomous. In 2023 year, the college got autonomous status, sir.
Uh, so you have to be clear na, the college and the university makes a difference. You have to say
Yes,
that
sir.
I am from a affiliated college to the panel. Okay, being a graduated candidate, I am assuring that you have attended many interviews right now.
Yes, sir.
Did you attend, how many interviews did you attend?
Nearly 6 to 7 interviews, sir.
6 to 7 interviews. How many did you get selected for?
No one, sir.
Why?
Because in some technical rounds and HR rounds, I have got rejected, sir.
So which domain did you select from our side?
Artificial intelligence with Python.
Mr. HR manager?
Yeah, yeah, I will take you.
Look, one thing, Mr. Manager, one thing, he's telling that he's a graduated candidate from JNTU Jagatal, which has the most respect from my side. But one thing, he's not telling me that he's from the affiliated college. Please ask him the questions which is from his background.
So, in what domain has you completed your BTech?
CSC, sir. Computer Science Engineering.
And what are your main interest subjects?
DBMS, sir.
GBMS.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know about something about AI as you
Yes,
opted for this?
yes, sir. Artificial intelligence.
No, no, I am not asking the full form of it. Do you
Oh,
know
okay. Oh,
something about this?
okay. Okay. Sorry, sir. Artificial intelligence is related to computer science, in which it will learn and give the data according in in which it learn the task and retrieve the data from the database in which we will search from it. Like in artificial intelligence, there are subsets like machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks. In machine learning, the machine learning will learn the data and predict the outputs by giving the input data, etc.
Okay, what about deep learning?
Deep learning is related to neural networks it, in which it behaves like a human brain, and it is consisting of different type of neural networks layer. By doing deep in the neural networks layer, the output will be correct and exact.
Okay, what are the different types of deep neural networks?
The deep neural networks are convolutional neural networks, CNN and RNN.
Any
And the
more? There are many more. Do you know?
yes, CNN.
I think, Mr. Manager, that's enough. Look, one thing, Mr. Rakshit,
Sir,
uh, are you seeking for an internship? Are you seeking for a job?
the internship, sir.
Hey, look, yeah, one thing. From I'm saying, you are an graduated candidate. You don't have to opt for all this internship. This internship is basically for the pursuing candidates so that they can get hands-on experience on the
Okay,
corporate
sir.
world. You are
Okay.
introduced to that platform gone while, but we are considering you as you are graduated from most of the prestigious universities, GNT Jagityal.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you may leave the meeting. We'll get back to you on your email. Thank you.
Okay.
Mr. Munna? Mr. Munna.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Mr. Munna, make sure no one is in your background.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na? Let's come on to your introduction.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Myself, I am Bhavan. Recently, I completed my graduation in Kids Engineering College, Ramachandrapuram, Kakinada district, Andhra Pradesh. I have hands-on experience on AWS course module, and I also hands-on C basics, Python basics, and database management system. And I also known HTML and CSS. I done my project on Bitcoin price prediction by using Facebook algorithm. It's a time series forecasting algorithm. And I also did my internship in Java full stack, which is online platform in CodeNest. And I also has done my another internship in cyber security in TeachNook in remote mode.
Okay, that's a great introduction. One thing, you're from Kakinada Institute of Technology and Science, KITS,
Yes, sir.
and you're from emerging batch of IT, Information Technology, which is located in Ramchandrapuram, Kakinada. That's great. One thing, are you an graduate candidate over here?
Yes, sir. I am graduate
What's
recently now.
recently graduate? Okay, that will be
Yeah, May
that will be
2024 batch.
okay. What's your GPA?
7.58.
What's your GPA in 10th or 12th?
In 10th, 97 percentage, sir. In nine in inter 12th standard, 90 percentage, sir.
From being a very topmost prestigious topper of the school to the college, what's the downgrade in GPA to the in university? Is there any specific reason for this?
No, sir, not at all.
Okay, one thing, as I can see that you are from Kakinada, KITS, did the college didn't even provide you some placement assistance?
No, sir. Actually, in college, suddenly management was changed. They didn't provide any placements or internship opportunities.
Okay, Kids, Kakinada, okay. One thing, I'm making a background check.
Okay, sir.
So Munna, if the management has been changed, so what the students have done? They didn't take any
Sir,
action.
yes, sir. We asked them and fought with them, but they say they didn't. All management will see that we doesn't do that. They'll tell them.
Okay, I can understand your situation in this process. So we will consider you as an job pursuing candidate, not as an internship pursuing candidate. So we will try to provide you job from our side so that a meager burden on your head could you be let down. So, uh, what's your real name? One thing I can see that your name is
Yeah,
Bha-
Bhavan, Kopula Bhavan.
Kupula Bhavan. But why this Munna in this particular Google Meet? Is there any specific reason for this?
It was my mail, sir.
Okay, that's okay. Munna, we'll get back to you on your email. You can leave the meet.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, now Mr. Shiva, this is your second chance in interviewing.
Yes, sir, I'm here. Yes, sir, I'm ready for the interview. Yes,
Uh,
sir. Am I audible, sir?
Oh, you are audible, Mr. Shiva. Please introduce yourself to the panel.
Yeah, okay, sir. First of all, thanks for giving me this opportunity, sir. My name is Osagiri Seelam, and I am currently pursuing BTech final year in the specialization of artificial intelligence and machine learning from Vasireddy Venkatadri Institute of Technology in Guntur. And coming to my technical skills, I have strong foundations in Python and other programming languages like C++, JavaScript, and apart from my apart from the project that I have mentioned in my resume, I have done minor projects regarding machine learning uh, to make predictions. To make predictions about to make predictions and similar kind of things. And I have completed. I have done a machine learning certification in NPTEL by IIT Madras, and I have also have a good theoretical knowledge about machine learning and their and algorithms and how they work. And I have hands-on experience in training models like machine learning models and deep learning models. Yes, sir. That's it.
That's all. Okay, just a sec. I'm making sure a background check on your resume. Ah, let's move on to this. As I can see that you are in BTech AIML background, VIT Guntur. Could you please say me the full form of this VVIT Guntur?
Vasireddy Venkatadri Institute of Technology, sir.
Okay.
It's a tier 3 college. It is located near Guntur.
Uh, at present, in which year are you? Second year?
I'm in the final year, guys. Fourth year.
Okay, okay. From 2022, you have started.
Yes, sir. I have done my diploma in mechanical engineering. Then I have lateral entry to the BTech.
Is there any specific reason for jumping off from mechanical to CSC department?
Yes, sir. Because I want to be the part of this technical advancements, and I'm being interested in the uh, this change in
Okay, okay.
technology and
That's enough. That is enough. And you have also done a networking internship through AICT. That's great. Salesforce developer virtual intern. That's also great. Data science internship, APES, DCS, and ELS. ILS. So that's really great. Mr. HR managers, please ask him one or two questions. That's all. Don't ask him many questions. We have to wrap up more than 10 candidates over here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, Shiva,
yes, sir.
as you are from the background of AI,
Yeah,
can
yes.
you give me some example of weak and strong AI?
Second, can you ask me that again?
Can you give me some examples of weak AI and strong AI?
Weak AI and strong AI.
Yeah, that's a basic question, Shiva.
Sir,
One thing, Mr. Shiva, is this your first interview?
yes, sir.
Oh, okay. HR manager, I'll take over from this. You can ask somebody else. So,
Yeah, yeah.
as of now, I'm leaving you, Mr. Shiva. Look, first of all, you did a mistake. Say by not responding me, I had called your name 5 to 6 times. You didn't
Sir,
respond.
there is a technical issue. That's why I am not able to respond to
All
you.
guys will give me technical issues, but one thing, make sure, Mr. Shiva, कि next time you don't repeat all these things because I have to take minimum to minimum 100 to 50 interviews daily. Me
Yeah,
and
sir.
the
I
me
can.
and that hiring manager na have to accommodate overall na will always try up to get the internship to the student right away. We only accept the students who are punctual over here because I think we can give you a second chance, Mr. Shiva.
Yeah,
uh, I
thanks
can
for
give
your
you a second chance.
consideration.
We will consider you. As this is
Yes,
your
sir.
first interview, we will select you. You can leave the meeting.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
No questions asked. Thank you. Uh,
So, Asia,
look. One thing. There are more candidates than this. One thing. Mr. Tejaswini. Tejaswini. Sorry, I'm if I'll spell anything wrong. Mr. Raju. Mr. Marmaraju. Mr. Marmaraju.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Good evening, sir.
very good evening, Mr. Tejaswini Marmaraju. I'm really sorry if I'll spell anything wrong. Uh,
It's okay, sir. Not a big issue.
I
Yes,
think
sir.
it's your surname. Please introduce yourself to the panel.
Good evening, sir. I'm Madam Rajushree Tejaswini. I'm pursuing BTech in third year in TKR College of Engineering. I'm my 2-2 till 2-2 I got 9.0, sir, and I completed my intermediate in Sri Gayatri Junior College, and I completed my schooling in Central Asia's High School with aggregate of 10 GPA, and I'm skilled in Python, SQL, and Java. I'm very much interested in learning new things, sir. My strengths are I'm a quick learner and I can collaborate with my team very well.
That's really
Yes, sir.
great and a nice introduction, Mr. Tejaswini. One thing, Mr. Tejaswini, are you from
Yes.
AICT or LinkedIn?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Uh,
I applied your Cotton solutions from AICT, sir.
that's really great. One thing, I have to get your resume. Just wait for a second because in our databases now only AICT candidates are over here. I have to look for
Okay.
your resume. Just one sec.
Sh-
I'll be back.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Sure, sir.
Candidates. Mr. HR manager, please ask some questions.
So, Ms. Tejaswani,
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
good evening, very good evening.
Yes.
So what are the brief? Can you give me a brief about AI? What do you know?
Yes, generally it started from the neural network research, and people thought that we can uh, make a machine very intelligent like humans. So they started this research on on machines, and from then deep learning and machine learning and NLP, all these categories came into the field. Yes, so making a machine intelligent like human is AI, sir, according to me.
Oh, that's a great answer.
Yes, sir.
So, what is NLP and NLU?
Sir, I'm sorry to say this, sir. I'm in third year BTech, so in 3-2 I'll get this course, sir. So I thought I would learn in 3-2. I'm sorry to say this, sir.
Okay, okay. What do you know something about machine learning and all?
Yeah, machine learning is nothing but giving some data sets to the machine and processing the models and then predict the output, sir.
What are the models that process? Common
Sir,
use models used in
sir,
what are the common use machine learning models?
common uses. I'm sorry, sir. I'm not able to answer this.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
So, then, what are the common misconceptions about AI in nowadays?
Yes, sir. Nowadays, misconception, sir.
Yes,
Uh, can you please tell me what misconception is? I'm sorry, but
myth.
myth.
Yeah,
Uh, maybe that.
Look, hiring manager. One thing, I think she's having his first interview right now, so she is little bit here and there.
Thank you, sir.
We
Thank
have
you.
to consider her because she has most of the knowledge over here. Uh,
not a problem. Miss Tejaswini, if this is your first interview, you have to mention it. So the person in front of you
Yeah,
ought to
yes,
get
sir, I get
knowledge.
it. I get it, sir, but I'm sorry. I'm unable to answer your questions. I'll make sure from next time I'll answer your every question, sir.
And Tejaswini, do work on your communication skills. Okay,
Sure, sir, sure.
Thank you, hiring
thank you.
manager. Thanks for
Definitely,
valuable
sir.
time. One thing, Mr. Tejaswini, as I can see from my database, we don't have your resume as you are from LinkedIn through LinkedIn. So one thing, Mr.
Okay.
Tejaswini, after this meet, please send me your resume as soon as possible because I have to send all this recording to the hiring partners such as Tech Mahindra and all this companies so
Okay.
that we can say we have the perfect candidate for you. Any questions about the company, Mr. Tejaswini? Any question, Miss?
No, no, sir. No questions, sir.
Okay, I think this is enough. You are selected now because as
Thank
of now, I can see that you are an valuable candidate from our side. You can mail
thank you
us
so much.
because you can copy the mail from the Google Meet chat so that
Okay.
the resume could get forwarded to us.
Okay,
So
sir.
right away you can leave the meeting. You'll get your
Okay.
offer letter and all these things on your resume.
Okay, sir.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much for giving me this opportunity, sir. I'll be very thankful to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Right. Uh, Mr. Anuj. Mr. Anuj.
Sir, it's Ashwala Anuj.
So sorry if I'll spell a name wrong.
No, no worries, sir.
Are you from AICT or LinkedIn?
No, sir, AICT, through AICT, I applied for the
Okay, then.
internship.
Okay, that's really great. Could you please mind opening your cam so that the meeting will be recorded?
Right, sir. Thank you.
Okay, that's really great. One thing, please introduce yourself to the panel.
So, myself, Ashwala Anuj. So, I am currently in third year BTech, CSE, with specialization of AI and data science. I'm doing my third year in my basically bachelor's in MIT WPU here in Pune, and I have a skill set of Python. I've done projects in Python, C, C++, then even in machine learning, SQL, all these languages I'm well aware of. And I've done projects related to machine learning, such as image classification and with the database analysis. Those all projects I've done in the field of data science as well as ML, and I hope that I can improve my skills by joining this internship. So, yeah.
Okay, that's really great and hopeful introduction. One thing, additional information says that you speak Malayali. From which
Yes,
state are
yes.
you?
So basically, I'm from Kerala. My
Okay.
native place is from Kerala,
Uh-huh.
but my parents are settled here in Bombay, and I'm doing my BTech here in Pune.
Okay, that's really great.
Yes.
Basically, there is a talk going on in the market that Kerala people are very into IT HMs. So I think you are a valuable candidate over here. One thing, Mr. Hiring
Yes, sir.
Manager, could you please ask her some questions?
No, sir, you may continue, sir.
Okay, I'll continue up because we have to continue. One thing, you have
Sure.
mentioned that you have done the coursework on data visualization with Python. Could you
Yes,
please
sir.
explain me something about this?
So basically, in that course, what I've done is, uh, this is a curriculum, or this was under my college. So this is I've done this in my college. So in that, basically, my mentor, or she had started with teaching what Python is, and then after that, she started teaching how visualization is done of data, of any data set through Python. So different kind of visualization using the graphs, the charts, and all this kind of visualization. I have done in this course, and you even using the app, or the app called Tableau. So using Tableau also, I've learned how to visualize a data set in to show the predictions, or to show the records, how well it has been doing over the past years.
That's a great explanation. One thing, what's your core programming language?
My core is Python language. We are doing all my projects, all I've been in doing in Python,
Okay,
but I have a bit a knowledge of C and C++.
okay, that's really great. Tell me the basic definition of Python.
So basically, Python is a programming language which is a bit more simpler and efficient compared to C and C++. So it is very easy to understand and manageable languages compared of the other language, and it is very easy to learn. And yes, sir.
One thing, there is a thing going on that the Python language has more libraries, but it is bit slow than the other languages as C, C++. What's the difference between this?
I'm not sure about this question, sir.
So I'll say that answer because now Python basically uses both the interpreter and the compiler. So interpreter does the work.
Yes.
You have to answer in such a way because now key
Okay, okay, sir.
compiler does all the calculations, but if once
Right.
once the calculations is done, the whole process goes to the scenario of the interpreter just presents the output that's which has been sent by the compiler. But as
Right.
coming to the process of the C, C++, it basically use the interpreter, so that we can say that the interpreter is much faster than the compiler itself. Okay,
Oh, oh,
okay, Mr.
sure.
Mrs. Sanuj, you can leave the meeting. We'll forward you all the details. You are selected. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, next is Chitralekha.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, I spelled this name correct. Could you please open your
Yes, sir.
cam and introduction and please give your introduction to the panel?
So, good evening, everyone. I'm Chitralekha. I'm currently studying in third year of BE in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning in JNNC, that's Jawaharlal Nehru National College of Engineering in Karnataka. It's affiliated to Vishwesvaraya Technological University, Belagavi. So, I mean, as I said, I'm in third year. I know languages like Python, C, C++, Java, and also web development things like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and others. I'm interested in AI. That's why I selected this. Uh, what selected this degree at the first place. I have done a project called Glucolingo, which is basically an AI-based website which tells people about their diabetic condition and it monitors their diabetic condition. And I wish to do more projects on AI and wish to learn more through projects. That's why I'm applying for this interview. I mean
Okay,
internship.
that's a great introduction. Hope this is not your first interview because I can see you can say more things about you. Is this your first interview?
Yes, it is my first interview.
Okay, that's really great. Nice of you because I had seen candidates who can't even spell out something from their mouth. Uh, One thing, Mrs. You are you from AICT or LinkedIn?
I'm from AICT.
But I didn't get your resume. So one thing, do one thing, Miss. So forward your resume to our email so that I can shortlist you from your side, Mr. HR manager. Could you please ask some questions?
Sorry, sir. Due to some, I have some meeting schedule, so I am leaving now. You may continue, sir.
Okay, nice. He's leaving off. Okay, let's start up. As I don't have your resume, Miss, what's your core programming language?
Python.
Okay, so tell me the basic definition of Python over here.
Python is an object-oriented programming language, which is more more easier to understand for humans. It's not machine-level language. Uh, More like it's easily understandable by humans. It has a vast set of libraries and other things, so which makes it easier to use for a programmer. It is easier to use, as you have said before. It may be a little slow compared to others, but for human beings, it reduces the task of writing lines and lines of code because it got libraries and it has got many more functions, which is helping.
That's really great. So one thing, what do you know about artificial intelligence? Tell me the basic definition of artificial intelligence. How this is helpful to the to our particular economic situation.
So artificial intelligence is basically putting some intelligence in the machine, as machine only makes decision according to what our program says, which is very basic. So according to the situation and according to situation and other things considering, it can make the decision on its own. That's artificial intelligence. In a single word, it's a machine which has intelligence, not maybe at this time not up to par of humans, but at some extent it got some intelligence.
Okay, that's a great explanation. But if anyone asks you about AI, say this thing that artificial intelligence is just a algorithm which uses its state or the software which is embedded in a machine, particular machine, to do a certain task of things, that the output is very necessary for the problem solving solutions. That's all. You don't have to bang up all the things in here. That's point to point should be noted in this. So as I can see that you are great in communication skills. I'm making sure that you are also aware of Python language, because artificial intelligence and machine learning basically uses only Python language. So any other certifications did you choose to do in your third year? Any other certifications?
I have done a certification in Android development, which was a project based learning. So I did a simple app using Android Studio.
Okay, okay, that's great. And what's your GPA in 10th, comma 12th, and graduation?
In 10th, okay, in 10th I got 98. In 12th I got 95. Uh, in engineering I have GPA of 8.9.
Sole topper from 10th and 85% in graduation. That's really great. So, which school are you from?
I'm from like Nandana Education Trust. It's in Shumoga, Karnataka.
Okay, and college is also from Karnataka, and your graduation is also from
Yeah,
Karnataka. That's really great.
yeah, Karnataka. But that's my home.
As of now, our company is also registered in Karnataka, so we will make sure you are selected. Thank you. Thanks for attending. And any questions regarding the company?
Uh,
Any
I
questions?
just wanted to ask, do you provide internships or both internships and jobs?
Look, we don't uh, we don't 100% make sure ki you will get a job. It's basically on based on your task and all the communication skills which you will do at your in your particular given assessments and all this. It is basically in 1 month of program for all this settlement. Will totally gather up the information or your email. You'll get to know all these things in your first session of mentorship program. If you'll get selected by today, you'll get your offer letter by 22 or 22 or 23 or 24. You'll get to know all the details about this on your email. So one thing, uh, I'm not making sure ki 100% will give you a job, but one thing, we will get you to a particular situation of an interview. That's all. We are only a way to get to an interview, so that you can upscale yourself and you have a position that you have attended an interview of Deloitte, Tech Mahindra, such companies. Any other questions?
No, that's it.
Thank you. You may leave the meeting.
Thank you.
Thank you.